If you're importing components in React like import component name, hold on tight. You might be making a common mistake that could impact your app performance. In this video, we will explore the magic of code splitting in React. We will implement it to optimize our app's performance. Let's begin. I have a simple React app with two components, component A and component B. Component A has a div with component A written in it. Similarly, component B has a div with component B written. Let's do a npm start. So we have a simple React app with two components. Now let's do the modification for code splitting. We will first import lazy and suspense, which are part of React itself. Now we want component A and B to be loaded only when they are needed. So we will wrap them in lazy function of React. Now that component A and B have on-demand loading, we add them inside our suspense to show a loader when they are loading. Now if you refresh the page, you won't see any difference. The reason being, it's a very light component right now. Now I will add a timer to the component to just give you an idea of what if it was a big component, what would be the behavior of the code. You don't need to do it definitely. Now you could see the parent loaded with a loading symbol coming when the child components are still loading. So what exactly have we done? Let's start with lazy. By using lazy, we are telling React to load component only when it's needed rather than right at the start. As we saw in our demo, the page loaded and then the component started loading. We get faster initial load times and a smoother user experience. Suspense throws up a loading sign which you could customize, letting your users know that something awesome is on its way. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you found this video helpful.